Guys, for today's video, we make marag soup in Arabic. Look, I will show you. There's a potato cut in cubes, small, and there's a zucchini, and there's carrots, and there's string beans. First tip, guys, is I add olive oil and I powder the garlic, black pepper powder, cumin powder, Arabic spices, and a small amount of salt in 1 cube of Maggi. Look guys, I already put all spices and I'm going to mix it very well. Then guys, our next thing to do is put hot water and follow the carrots and the string beans. So look, the carrots and the string beans is already smooth. So I follow now this, the zucchini and the potato. After 15 minutes or 20, it's already clean, all vegetables. So I put the tomato first, but later. Guys, it's already 15 minutes. 20, sorry. So look, it's already laying the vegetables. So I put now up tomato paste to become color red. Look guys, I put this tomato paste in Saudis. I don't know how. Like that. Because the guys, you know what? Arabian people is want more spices and the food is very there's very colored like that. So put the chicken and the vegetables to rice like this, like that, and so the sauce is there now. If the water is already no more, I will put the vegetables together. Test it. Make a small salt. Now, guys, like that. Okay. So that's our marag soup in Arabian. So guys, I put the black lemon because black lemon is the taste is sour. So I put now like that. So look guys, our marag for today is already cooked. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe me. Bye bye.